I'm in my Natasha cosplay. I'm currently having sensory overload. Really?
He's a good boy.
R2 is so cute.
This is what Garth Algar would wear at Halloween.
Yeah. Hello. I totally agree. Tomorrow, I am meeting Giancarlo Esposito.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
Anyways, here's my second sister cosplay, and I have my beautiful second sister helmet that I'll be wearing. Hello, we are at MegaCon with Anakin.
Brady. Nightwing from Bossing Say, maybe?
I have been taking photos in the same spot for about an hour. I'm so sorry I haven't updated the vlog. I'll insert some pictures here. We got Kyle and 81.
Hour as Mando yesterday.
I love that.
I was hoping to bring it, I didn't have time to finish it.
We're spinning a lightsaber in front of John Stamos to try and like woo him.
Are you a Sith Lord? Is that right?
I am.
Does that make you a Sith?
Dying. Oh my god. Freaking Todd Packer from The Office just FaceTimed my mother and Jacob's mom. And we said hi to him. He's so nice. He's so cool. Apparently it's free to meet.
Where? You know that other one?
Oh my god. We're in line for Squidward. It's so nice to meet you. You were such a big part of my childhood.
Glad to see we corrupted all of it.
Absolutely. I know you get asked this a lot, but can you say something in the Squidward voice?
SpongeBob, we could be stupid somewhere else.
Oh my god.
Has Squidward been to therapy recently?
Probably.
Yeah,
It hasn't worked.
Thank you so much.
It's so
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. I found another second sister! You look amazing. Oh.
This one.
Oh my god, this elevator makes my ears pop. I went back to my hotel. I'm sorry I haven't been updating the vlog as much. All morning my hands were full as anything and I couldn't even film anything. So I'm heading back to the con now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god. That's so cool. I met up with a friend.
Choose your fate. Join us, or choose the side that has already lost. You may go.
Well said. Thank you, Kylo. I have Chewie with me. Thank you for saying hi, Chewie.
Yeah.
Thanks, Chewie.
Okay, go ahead.
I love your scout. I love
Oh, no, 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 no.
Goodbye, hotel room. Goodbye. Also, guys, my life is now complete.
Life finds a way.